What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. In this video, I'm going to be making a 50cc four-stroke scooter stand. It seems like whenever I have to move the scooter to do other things in my garage, I always got to pick it up with a pair of gloves to do what I need to do, and it gets really annoying. So I'm going to be making a scooter stand. Alright, so right here we have some wood. Okay, this is actually plastic. I think plastic with regular wood compressed. Okay, this wood's really good. Okay, I also got I think these are 4x8s. Okay, these are already cut because I was doing a previous project with them. Okay, so I'm going to be working with this. Here are my rolling casters, and I'm going to be using 2-inch self-tapping screws, black marker. Okay, I got some I got a nut driver with a 10mm deep socket. Now this drill bit right here, it doesn't have a size. I checked on it, unfortunately it doesn't. And I also got a this is a hyper tough jigsaw that I bought from my local Walmart, and I got my drill. And I also got these are I believe 1.5 inches. I'm not sure exactly what what size they are, but they're like got that plastic thread lock on top, so I guess they're called locking nuts or something. So I'm gonna be using these. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I need this board here. Okay, I need this long board here to match this board. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it. Okay, but first I'm gonna draw my line, just like this. Okay, there's my line. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and take the jigsaw, okay, and cut this as best I can here. So if anybody, I hope everybody can see this. Okay. Oh, and I also forgot to say that on top of this handle here, there is an adjustment screw. Okay, so I'm going to put it all the way to 9 max, because if I bring it all the way to 1, it's not going to cut the way I want it to cut. So if I bring it all the way, see there's 3, 4, all the way up to 9 max. Now it shouldn't have no problem cut faster. Try it. Let's see here. Okay, I'm gonna put my ear muffs on. Okay, it's not too loud, but just for protection, I'm gonna put these on. There we go. Now I can't. Now I can. Now it'll be less of a noise. And okay, now we have both almost. Not that bad. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now what I need to do is I'm going to prop these two like this. Now I'm going to take these two here, okay? And what I'm going to do, let me open up a little bit more. There we go. I'm going to put this one on top of here. This one on top of there like so. Okay. If anybody, now, the reason, now I already mentioned this at the beginning of the video, but the reason why I'm doing this is because it's cheaper for me to make my own. Now all I have to do is drill screws, the 2-inch screws here, all the way around it. I drill my attachment again, 2-inch screws. Now there's already holes in this one and in this one, so I'm going to start the ones that already have holes in them. Screw it down, because I have a lot of work on this scooter, the one I just showed you a little bit of a glimpse of, and I want to be able to, well, you'll see when I'm done. You'll see when I'm done. It's gonna look awesome. lost my bit. There we go. One more here. Okay. Whoop. I don't have the magnetic thing, and I don't have a magnetic thing in here. So in order for the bit to stay in there, so I found a smaller drill bit. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pre-drill my holes out. But what I'm gonna do is screw down. Okay, is only gonna go that much, and then I'll grab the rest, and then I won't have no problem. So let me try doing it this way. That's it. It's like that. Okay. Just want it right like that. Just enough for the screw to go down without flopping all over, and then and as I push down, it'll go right down easier. That. Okay. I'll switch it out again. Okay. Put this one right here. Okay, it's just what I wanted. Now it'll go down a lot easier. That's what I want. Now, if anybody's wondering why I'm using self-tapping screws, because I have, oh, here's the other one. I have so many of these self-tapping screws that it's just easier doing it this way. And I'm on a really strict budget. Okay, so now that we got this set done, okay, now I can put this aside. Okay, now the next step I have to do is take a black marker. I'm gonna just trace them all out now, so that way when I get cut and I don't have to at all. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, put the caster marker away. Now what I do is I take my jigsaw, turn it this way, ear protection. First piece. I really want to know why. So this is the second one, third one. All right. Man, this stuff makes a mess. Okay. Now we have to do this. And this. Rather have all my four feet, okay, cut out. Now what I'm gonna do is take the black marker, and I'm gonna do a mark. Okay, all right. Now got my drill, got my small drill bit. I'm gonna take my wheel, my caster wheel, and I'm gonna sit on here and take the black marker. And I got all my black marker dots on here, and I put it through. Okay, that's good. Undo this, bring it back, tighten this up. Now what I do is, so I'm just gonna keep right on going. Like this, I see too much of the wood, I won't be able to get my screw through. Over here, start it. Okay. I would normally just do 2 screws, but since this whole thing is going to be under a 50cc 4-stroke scooter, and those type of scooters do have a lot of weight. I think with everything on, I think it weighs like I'd say between 100 to 150. Okay, but with everything off of it, it weighs about 80 to probably 80 to 100 pounds. Okay, so probably with everything about 150, with everything with nothing on it. Okay, probably about 100 pounds. So I want this to be more secure and safer, so that way I don't get hurt. So I'd rather go to the extra length. So I self tapper. Whoop. I could start the screws. Casters. Now through the bottom like this, okay, and it's not gonna, and even if I have it like this, and I have the nut on here, and as this swivels, the wheel and this, the base and the wheel are not gonna hit. I'm not gonna hit it. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it this way. So what I'm gonna do is take this, put this on. I learn every day. I'm gonna make it go a little faster. Okay, just gotta be. And of course the screw got stuck up in there. Hold on. There we go. Yep, this one too. Okay, so I'm going to just re-drill these out a little bit. A little bit of flaws in a slaw, but it's all right. Yep, a little bit of flaws in a slaw, but it's okay. There we go. There, now I can put them up through. There we go. Little bit of adjustments, folks, and we almost. I'm going to do the same thing to here over to this side. Okay. Sometimes they don't go exactly where they should. Nope. Okay. And now I'm going to have to go drill them out. Final reveal. Now it rolls in any direction I want. So let me get my gloves for safety, because there is sharp edges on different parts of the scooter, and I don't want it to cut in my hands, or basically known as hurt myself. Don't want to do that. Grab this. Now I could either do it this way. Okay, so what I'm going to do is hold it right here, and I'm going to lift up. And in this scooter, if anybody does these scooters do weigh a lot. Like I mentioned, even though what you see on here still weighs quite a bit. Yeah. I don't want to give myself a hernia either. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually do it this way. 1, 2, 3, lift. No, and okay, might have to come in a little bit more. There we go. Now, whenever I need to move it anywhere over there or outside, just take it, move it wherever I need to move it. And guess what? It's safely, yep, it is. It's safely, securely on there. Yep, now I can go ahead and work, do what I need to do, And voila, perfectamento. Homemade. From scrap material wood, I already have. Casters, I already had. Self-tapping screws, I already had. Everything I already had. Well, everybody, that was the reveal. My homemade rolly cart that I need to put my scooter on top of. I am actually proud of myself. Turned out really good, really good. I'm actually proud of myself. Now, the next day or two, I can start working on the scooter and making the scooter better. So that's it for the video, folks. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please smash that like button. Also, if you have a comment about this video, please leave it down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any videos that I do. See you next video. Peace.